lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Lori. So I know you guys have not seen me in such a long time. I know it's been forever. I caught the flu and I have been out for like 2.5 weeks. It's been pretty intense. I thought it was my allergies at first, but then I started getting the fever and the shivers and everything like that, and I was like, it's definitely the flu, which has sucked really bad. I'm still a little sick. I still feel it if I sound different. And if the lighting is off, I am so sorry. It's really cold outside. It's very gloomy, so the lighting is not the best right now. But I wanted to do a video today because I am so excited to announce that this video is in partnership with Bed Bath & Beyond. I was beyond thrilled when they reached out to me to work with me. I was just so excited. I love Bed Bath & Beyond. I have loved them for years. They were actually one of the first stores I started shopping at for home decor because there was one right by my college. So it was my first apartment and I was trying to get all cute and stuff, and that's the first store I went to. It was right next to Target, so I went to Target and Bed Bath & Beyond. And all my stuff was from there, from my first apartment, which is so cool. Bed Bath & Beyond has some amazing organizational bins and organizational storage in general. I have always loved all their selection. They have so much stuff. If you go into that store, you can literally spend hours and hours in there. I have linked everything that I talked about in this video down below, so make sure you guys go check it out. So in this video, I will be showing you guys some tips and tricks on how to organize my linen closet. This is more so my guest closet because we have our own in our master bedroom, which I will be organizing very soon along with these amazing storage bins. So I'm so excited to get this video started. So let's get into it. So the first thing I like to do is draw my vision out. Sometimes when I start organizing with no plan, it just ends up being a disaster. So I'm just using my iPad Pro and just drawing it out and seeing how I want to organize everything. Now, this might not be the way it ends up, but it just gives me an idea of what I want to do. So here is my little vision that I have so far. Here is the linen closet. It is a mess. It just has a lot of my candles. This is more so my candle closet, but we're going to have a lot of visitors come in soon. So I want to organize this for my guests because this is the guest linen closet. So that's what I'll be doing right now. So the first thing I like to do is just empty it out entirely. I empty it out and I clean it out just to freshen it up. So I'm using these bins from Bed Bath & Beyond. You guys, these are my new favorite storage boxes. I love them so much. The lid is attached to it, as you can see right there, and it's so sturdy. You just take this part and put it on the bottom, and that's the base of the box, and it's just so sturdy, and it's a beautiful burlap, which you guys know I'm all about. So I love these boxes. Once again, they're from Bed Bath & Beyond, so I will link those down below. The next thing I do is I just start to organize it and make sure that everything fits, just to make sure that my vision's going to work. So these next acrylic bins are freaking amazing. If you guys love Bath & Body Works soaps like I do, these bins fit them perfectly. They are from Bed Bath & Beyond as well, and they fit 8 soaps perfectly. I was so excited when I saw these. I've been wanting to find something that will organize my soaps because I have so many, and these bins are just amazing. The next thing I got was this large helper shelf. I felt like these would be perfect for my candles. So I started organizing them with my candles, but I realized that I would like it better without the wire shelving because it was kind of bulky with what I was trying to do. But I will definitely be using those in my kitchen. I will be doing a kitchen organization video very soon. So I just decided to put the candles by themselves like this, and it just worked out better. So to organize my wallflowers, I got this 1-gallon jar. I thought it was too big until I started organizing everything. If you guys have been following my channel, you guys know the last couple months Bath & Body Works has been having a lot of sale, and I bought a bunch of wallflowers because of their sale, and I actually was able to fit the whole thing, as you can see. I know you guys are going to judge me, but I love our house smelling good. That's one of the things that this house, when you walk in, it always smells good. So I definitely know how to keep this house smelling amazing, and I love the way it looks with this jar with all the wallflowers. It looks so cute. My favorite way to organize are with baskets, bins, boxes. I just love decorating with them, and they look so nice as well. So for this first box, I'm going to be putting my toilet paper away. I don't like looking into the linen closet and seeing toilet paper. So this box is just perfect to conceal it away, and it just looks nicer. So in this box, I'm putting the extra pillowcases and sheets for our guests. And also what I love to do is put some downy dryer sheets in between the sheets and pillowcases. So when you're getting your guest bedroom prepared, the sheets are going to smell phenomenal. I definitely love this little tip. This last box, I like to have a separate box just for guests. What I like to do is I like to place some extra soaps, extra body wash, lotion, a first aid kit, anything that a guest might need. And I just love to have this box ready so when they come, I'll be ready to use this box and disperse them around the guest room or the bathroom and just let them know that they have some extra stuff for them. So I know it's blurry here, but what I'm doing right now is folding towels. I definitely recommend using the same color of towels and folding them all the same because it'll make the linen closet look so much more organized. So here is the overview now with everything organized so far, but I did not like exactly what I did at first, so I did move some things around. I really like the way it looks so far, but I also needed to put my cleaning basket here. This is the basket I use when I clean upstairs. I don't like carrying the basket up and down from downstairs, so I like having one upstairs and one downstairs. And I decided to move the bin of the toilet paper down to the floor. And I am just moving some things around. I tend to do this sometimes when I'm organizing. I decorate linen closets the way I decorate bookcases. I didn't like the way the two boxes looked right next to each other, so I did the alternating of the boxes like I do with bookcases. I like it to be more decorative, so that's what I'm doing right now. And I really like the way it turned out. So here are the final shots of the linen closet. I love the way it looks. An organized linen closet is so important because especially when you have guests coming, you want to know where everything is at. You don't want to be running around last minute to find stuff. So I really hope you enjoy these tips. I look forward to doing more organization videos for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am just so excited to be back. Some of you guys weren't watching my Vlogmas videos. We are back in Texas. As you can see, we are in my office. I'm so excited to be back, and I'm so excited to get started with all these filming. I have been having so many ideas on so many videos. I have so many DIYs to do, and I've just been sick, so it's been so terrible because I've been like just going crazy with all these ideas I have, and I've been sick. So but I just want to thank you guys so much for your love and support, for checking on me. And also, I have not announced it here on my YouTube channel, but I do have a new Instagram. So a lot of you guys always asked for more pictures of my home and decor tips and stuff like that. So I decided to make my own home decor Instagram. It is called My Lovely Texas Home, and I would love if you guys will go follow my Instagram. I post pictures of nothing but my home, decor ideas, just all types of things. It's so much fun over there. I love the community we've formed so far. And also make sure you guys go follow my Facebook page. I have been working with Home Talk, which they are so amazing, and I've been getting so much love on our DIY videos on Facebook. We're over like 15 million views. It's so crazy, mind-blowing. And my Facebook page has almost 4,000 likes. So make sure you guys go follow my Facebook page. And yeah, because I'm gonna start doing decor tips on there and doing live videos on Facebook and stuff like that. I'm really getting into Facebook again, so make sure you guys go follow my Facebook page. I will link everything down below. Once again, thank you to Bed Bath & Beyond and Magic Links for partnering with me on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I have a lot more videos coming soon. I hope you guys are excited. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.